endless melodies. Something buried deep inside us, the major and the minor were like piano keys. You played for me. You played for me.
Okay, so greetings to everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can just create based animation. So we're going to just make these cards, and we'll be animating these icons, maybe to just make it look more fantastic or looks more beautiful than this one. So all we're going to do is that we're going to create an animation where these icons will be coming from down here, and they will appear as the user hovers the box. So let's start and implement the logic. So the first thing, we need to add a class, and this class should be like relative, and this is will help us to just move these icons the way we want. So then we are the top of 100% in order to just move it down, and actually it moves down a little bit, so let's make it like 400, and now it's okay. Now it's down completely, so let's do road. Okay, so now it's down completely. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to give it maybe a class so that you can just identify it. So this class may be like Shashu links, or class like this one. And next we need to go inside our CSS. Okay, so we add a new style, and then I think it's now clear, so we add the style. And all this style will be doing, we just need to select the main div that all these links are in. So because you need this whole card to be hovered in order to just bring the links, that's why you're gonna use the whole link, this whole card, and we say dot theme card, and then hover. So when the user hovers the theme card, we use hover, and then after the hover of the theme card, so we just set we just select the social links like this one. And next we'll be changing the top to 0%, means that to original place. And now, so let's give it a try and see if it's actually working. So you see that now these icons can appear on hover. Okay, but the next thing we need is that right here we need to add, maybe right here I just need to add right here I just need to add a transition for it to just look beautiful. So transition maybe 0.35 seconds, and now so let's give it a try. Okay, so now you see I think, okay, so now you see that the transition is actually making it look beautiful, but you can also make it more dynamic so that the one icon can come one by one. So here they're coming all together, so need to so that they come just one by one. So to do this is very simple. So let me show you an example. So we do, for example, social links empty chart event. So we're gonna select the event children's, and we say that we say transition delay, so it's right here, and we're gonna make it like 0.3 seconds like that. And actually let's see how it works. Okay, so let's reload for the second time. Okay, you see that this transition is working only in case of just moving the cards out. So that's why we should also include this thing. Okay, so like this one, I think this is gonna work better. So now you see it's actually working beautiful. But as I told you, we just need to just came one by one from this one to this one to this one to this one. So to do this, I should just try something. So let me just create a new variable and name it delay, and this delay should be exactly 0.2 seconds. And instead of using this, we're gonna use the variable, so we use for delay, and let's see if it's still working. So now you see that it's still working. So if this is still working, so there's one thing we can try, one more thing to try out, so it's this one. Okay, so the thing we should try is that every single card like here should have its own unique unique delay seconds. So to do this is very simple. So all we'll be doing is right here on every card. So the way you can use first of all, the way maybe which is common to most people, so is using the empty chart, selecting maybe 2, and we just reload. You see that the 2 is affected, and for the next we're gonna select the 3 and like this one, and we make it and let's reload. Okay, so load one more time, and now you see it's really working perfect as expected. But this is not really the option that I can just recommend you. So let me show you the option that I highly recommend you guys. So the option is this one. So we just remove this empty charts, and this variable delay, I want to show you where we're gonna define it. So we're gonna go up here on every element, and we're gonna give it its own unique variable. So we add the style, and then we add, like, we define a variable delay, and we assign this delay to 0.2 seconds like this one. So now let's give it a try and see if it's really working. See, now it's still working perfect, but we also need this to go down again, to just fall down back again. So to achieve this is very simple. So the reason why you're not seeing this is because this transition only exists when the user hovers. So that's why we need to just move the social links, and this transition should be moved up here. So let's use the Alt command, and in Mac we just use option to just move it like that. And now I think it's gonna work perfect. So now we can see it going down. So one more thing to do is that we are adding this animation delay on only when the user hovers. So let's also add this thing right here, and I think now we're gonna see the delay too. So you see they actually falling in and back. So guys, this is all I need to teach you right now, and also thank you for watching. And if you're interested in this video, so make sure you subscribe, as I always upload new videos, guys. So thanks for watching.
You sit there with that look on your face like you won, like nothing that I say is gonna change how you feel now. You sit there and you tell me you fell out of love, and we are in your way, so you just gotta leave now. And we just need to understand your reason.